Which choice best describes the overall structure of the text? Musician Joni Mitchell, who is also a painter, uses images she creates for her album covers to emphasize ideas expressed in her music. For the cover of her album Turbulent Indigo, 1994, Mitchell painted a striking self-portrait that closely resembled Vincent van Gogh's self-portrait with bandaged ear, 1889. The image calls attention to the album's title song, in which Mitchell sings about the legacy of the post-impressionist painter. In that song, Mitchell also hints that she feels a strong artistic connection to Van Gogh, an idea that is reinforced by her imagery on the cover. So option A says it presents a claim about Mitchell, then gives an example supporting that claim. This seems to be correct because the first sentence highlights a claim, which is that she uses images she creates for her album covers to emphasize ideas expressed in her music, and then it supports this with an example, which is that the cover of her album Turbulent Indigo was painted with a striking self-portrait that resembled Vincent van Gogh's self-portrait, and then the rest of this passage describes how she was connected to Vincent van Gogh, and her music, her song sings about the legacy of the post-impressionist painter. So A seems to be the correct answer. B. It discusses Van Gogh's influence on Mitchell, then considers Mitchell's influence on other artists. This is incorrect because although it does discuss Van Gogh's influence on Mitchell, it does not consider Mitchell's influence on other artists, where the text only discusses Van Gogh and Mitchell, not any other artist. So B is incorrect. C. It describes a similarity between two artists, then notes a difference between them. This is incorrect because no similarity or differences are noted in the text, where instead it describes the connection between two artists, where one artist, Mitchell, is connected to the other artist, Van Gogh, and then there's no difference between them described in the text, so C is incorrect. D. It describes the songs on Turbulent Indigo, then explains how they relate to the album's cover. This is incorrect because the text begins with the description of the album cover, and then it goes into the songs. So D is incorrect, and the correct answer is A.